Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Orchid Bloom Booster. Mix the booster at half strength and apply after watering so roots are moist, not dry. Feed every 7 to 14 days while orchids are actively growing and reduce frequency when buds form. Watch plant response and adjust concentration, pausing if leaves yellow. Keep light, humidity, and temperature steady to support blooms and avoid overfeeding fragile roots. Schedule feeding for mornings to let leaves dry and reduce foliar burn, and always water first so booster distributes evenly. During new growth, maintain a consistent routine of weekly or biweekly feeds depending on vigor. Reduce or modify feeding as spikes form and flowers develop, using lower nitrogen formulas for support. Keep a simple log of applications to learn your orchid's preferences and prevent accidental overfeeding. Always measure booster carefully with a syringe or labeled spoon and dilute in room temperature water for even distribution. Start at half the suggested strength and only increase if plants show healthy, steady growth. Never combine multiple fertilizers in one mixture and always rinse your measuring tools between uses. Keep the mixture fresh and avoid storing diluted solution for long periods to preserve nutrient balance and prevent contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.